Page 6 is the Animal Identification and Information page. In this video, we will demonstrate how to upload the Excel import animal file. Before we upload our Excel file, we must first create the Excel file. That CVI, in its default, uploads the Excel information in the order of back tag, official ID, secondary ID, breed, sex, age in or units, description, and date of birth. Only the columns with asterisks, red asterisks, are required to be filled out. Age in or age units can be in day, days, or D, week, weeks, or W, months, months, or M, or year, years, or Y. For this example, we'll simply use Y. We now have 10 head ready to be uploaded into that CVI. Simply save the file, return to that CVI, and click the green Excel button. A question will pop up asking if your spreadsheet has a name in the first column. Select yes. Next, you'll need to find the file and upload it. Once it has uploaded, all of the information should be in there, just as it was in your spreadsheet. Next, or once everything's done, push done, and you will see that there are 10 successful entries made into that CVI.